Just got in my 4-volt 2-in-1 cordless screwdriver. I'm going to open it up and check it out. It comes in a nice little carrying case as well. That is good. That's the little flip type clips. Open it up. There's quite a variety for Phillips head, flat head, the small and the medium and the larger. Little manual. Our charging cord. You can plug this into your computer to charge it, or like a wall charger from your cell phone or whatever. Just a charging block. Now this has the 1/4-inch quick release chuck, LED light, forward button, reverse button, and a power indicator. Your USB charging port, and this is a non-slip rubber grip. And when you get ready to put these bits in, you want to put it right here and slide that upwards, and it'll slide right and lock in place. And it won't fall out either, which is a great benefit. Get ready to release it, just push this chuck part up, and that will come right out. And it doesn't stop there. We have more bits underneath inside the tray. We have different sizes of star type bits, a lot of different shapes, very small flathead screwdrivers, and the Phillips head, very, very small. This is definitely a nice set and comes in a nice carrying case. That way you can keep it all organized.